Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about drag and drop. That is a mouse action in our Selenium TypeScript. Okay, which we have seen in that like hover we have seen and clicking and right click and double click also we have seen and click and hold we can see that as well in the upcoming sessions. Okay, this is just like a click and hold. It will do only for holding for that. And here is drag and drop. Drag and drop purpose. I'm going to take this particular website. When you drag here, it will be under that and we can able to see dropped is a message. Okay, that we are going to displaying into our location. Okay, now I'm going to refresh this one and I'll create one file. Okay, which is drag and drop tc16 drag and drop.ts file. Okay, and we'll copy this code and we'll paste it here. Okay, going up, I'll copy this URL as well here. I'm going to paste it. Okay, now up to here is done and then we are going to do for drag and drop. Drag and drop. Okay, first drag and drop means there are two files means which is the location starting position and ending position means where we need to start, where we need to go. Okay, these are the two things. First of all, we need to capture the first where is the our target file, where is the source. Okay, target here we need to drag here and this is our source. Okay, first I'll copy the source where exactly it is presented. I'll take the file of this. Okay, here is a drag and drop the name, but if you see there is a id it is there for that particular container. Okay, that I'm going to take. Okay, first I'll store this one constant source. I'll mark it as a source because we need to keep that one into there. Okay, and here I'm going to use for our file and then we need to import by. Okay, now we import it. Okay, the similar format we need to target where it is there, right? The target location also we need to capture. Okay, if you see this is my target, if I inspect this particular element, this is also having for drop location. Okay, the idea I'm going to take it await driver dot find element by dot id and then I can provide my drop location. Okay, now this is my drop location and we need to use for drag and drop where we need to store and where we need to go. Okay, after you dragged it, okay, there is a drop, there is a message. If you inspect the same location, there is a text is there. Okay, paragraph id, we can take the id and text. Okay, now I'm going to back to here action performance driver dot, we need to use the wait. Okay, before driver we need to use for await driver dot actions. Okay, and there is a method called drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop, this will capture for source and destination location like target location. Okay, target location dot perform. Okay, perform is the action when you want to do some actions and all. Okay, and then you can use for information to display or you can use for wait target dot get text. Okay, and this particular one we need to use the console dot log and also we need to close it. Okay, we can run this particular file. Okay, 16 underscore drag and drop dot ts file. Okay, now we are running file but it is taking some time. Why? I think it got stuck in incoming. So it got done and also you can see here the message is dropped. Okay, we are not seen because it is closed, we are not waiting anytime, because of that it is closed immediately, but which we are expected is dropped. that is the dropped it is displaying here. Okay, whenever you drop, right, see there is a message called dropped and exclamatory icon, and the same icon you can able to see here as well. Okay, like this we can able to do for drag and drop. Okay, we can see for the next video how to handle for web tables, and web tables how many difference is there and how we can able to do in our Selenium. Okay, I hope it this entire video help for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.